here we are, 10 Dogwood Lane here in Old Mystic. Beautiful little circular drive here. We're gonna do this outbuilding last, so stick around and take a peek at that. Low traffic location right here, right off of Route 184. So you can go 95 north or 95 south. One of the nice things, we've got the loft. This is a heated workshop area, and there's a little office spot. I'll show you that last. I like the circular drive here. This is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath. Total living area is 2,278 square feet, and that's comprised of 1,306 square feet upstairs, 972 square feet downstairs. The pond that you see right here, there are trails that meander back into the total of 5.43 acres. This home has baseboard hot water heat and ductless mini splits along with a wood stove. And how's this to come home to relax to? Beautiful hot tub and big sky. So at night, this is a great paradise. We even got a walk-in shower right here for the summertime. Just give you a quick tour of the interior first. We'll do the workshop last. Abundant privacy. Leaves are not fully out, so you're getting to see what's the outside look like. Sunroom. Little office right there under the sunroom. The ductless mini split system, which was just installed. So we'll take you through this in no time. So, walking into the interior, split level classic raised ranch. Walking up, I love this vaulted ceiling right here. And the space just really feels different than any other raised ranch that I've been in. It's so inviting. You've got the wood stove right there, ductless head right there. Kitchen, eating area. I love the tile layout and the beautiful quartz countertops right here. Perfect sight line to your grill. We'll get to that outside last. Right here, this is a great spot. One of the favorite things, a restored, reclaimed piece of furniture turned into the cooktop space. Beautiful sunroom right here. One of the seller's favorite features. You've got Ipe decking, ironwood decking. Here is your view out to the pond area. Love the inlays in the tile, even going around the cooktop vanity space, or counter space, if you will. Right rear is where the primary bedroom is. Primary bedroom suite has a reach-in closet right there. Ductless mini split right there. Beautiful flooring right here. Love how the granite countertop goes straight in line. The veining goes straight up on the countertop. Barn style curved doors to give you a little bit more elbow room in the tub shower. This is a shared full bath on this floor. Linen closet right there. Bedroom number 2 right here. Bedroom number 3. Reach-in closet right there. Going down to the lower level, we have about 972 square feet in the finished lower level. A bit of storage area where the well equipment is underneath the basement stairs. Boiler dead center. How's this for a beautiful finished space right here? Wood burning fireplace. Guest suite right here. Full bath. I love the borrowed light right there. Want a little bit of nature for your workday? Here's what you've got for a view. Out to the pond and the woods, which lights up during the fall when you've got the maples in full color in the autumn season. The everyday entrance is really right through here. Here's your mudroom, washer dryer combo down here. Breaker panel, 200 amp service right there. We've got power out to the shed. One car garage. Oil tank right there above ground. We'll shoot on out to the barn and wrap up this tour for you. I would schedule your showings ASAP. What I like about this barn, this was a woodworking shop. Furniture restoration was the hobby business for the seller. And you can see this was the office space right here. Plenty of lighting, tons of electrical, even a water line right there that was run out here. So the possibilities out here are really endless. You've got the propane fired furnace right there to heat the space. You could do an ADU, accessory dwelling unit. How's this for a space? Plenty of headroom right here. Walk-up storage if you don't have a need for a shop. I wouldn't even want to guess on what the cost of replacing this building would be. My guess, well over $100,000. So that's it. Schedule your showings today.